Hey, what's up guys? I hope you are making money as usual. I'm currently in Accra, Ghana with my babe for a vacation. And this video, I'm gonna make a day in the life of a millionaire forex trader living in Accra with his babe. So it's currently 8 a.m. so London session just started. So the best thing you can do right now is get some food and start trading, making money, and we can spend that money later on in the evening to enjoy the time, because we're on a vacation, so we want to enjoy. So let's go and get some food. By the way, if you still didn't subscribe to my YouTube channel, make sure you click the subscribe button. It will help me to grow, and it will also help me to make more content for you. And in case you don't know, this girl is just the best at cooking, and I don't know what she's cooking right now, but something for sure is it's something amazing.
You think it's okay, but you add more?
Sure, enough for me. Yeah, let's trade some London session. You guys know me for trading gold, and I actually got my payout to be processed today with FTMO. And the last time I told you guys, if those guys process my payout and I make over 5% on my next payout, I'm going to give you guys a free account. So hope me the best so I can make the money. So I got my breakfast in. That's fire. So with this, I should be able to get my 5 hour. I want to sell gold. The reason I'm trying to sell gold is this thing being really bullish. So the best thing I can do right now is if I can get like a pullback. So the thing cannot just buy. So that's what I'm looking for right now. I want to sell and I want to make more money. Thank you. Love you. It's pretty much New York session, and I just got my sell set up on gold. I'm gonna take it with my FundNext account, and let's see what happens. You guys know me for my really good trade management. When I get my setup, entry, stop loss, take profit, set alert, forget. Okay, so that's how you can deal with your psychology. So now I'm pretty much done trading. I'm not really done trading. I took my position. I'm just waiting for it to ETP, and now I can spend my time, eat my food, and enjoy good time. You can see gold is selling. I'm making about $4,000 on the trade I've taken this morning. And when you look at my dashboard, I'm now up 5.8% on my account, which is about $2,800 profit. And I'm waiting for my payout for the 31st February 2025. So I'm done trading for today. I'll just go and do others activity. So that's how life is when you are funded. So I just made $2,900 this morning, so we are currently going to the gym. So this is the gym. Look at this view. The view from the gym is insane, right? Oh my god. If this was my room, I would have been so happy. Which one did you take? Make sure it's the same size. Okay. Look straight, right? And then do this. And then bring it down. And do this. That's one. Look at the airport. Oh my god. When do you think you wanna travel? Next year. Dubai. So guys, the next day in the life of a millionaire forex trader may actually be in Dubai. Who knows? Write it. How was it? So let's go and swim, and we can go out in the evening, right? Yeah. Perfect. After the gym, we've made our way to Accra Mall to buy some food stuff. So we bought some eggs and some plenty things that is actually necessary. We spent like 1,000 cedis on that, and that was pretty much it. We got home. I just had to get myself some snack for the meantime, as she's going to get some food. After eating something and trading and made money, I just had to like go to the pool for the meantime, be playing, and of course my babe was going to cook for us for the evening. Just had to relax my mind made some money, had a great day. Just have to chill and wait for her to come and we can swim together. I'm not really like the best at swimming though, but just doing my best. Later on she came and then we were having some great time. But one thing you guys have to know is she doesn't know how to swim. You can see she's literally holding at me, you know, kind of crazy, but yeah. And that was like pretty much what we had. A great day. In the morning, made money, went to the gym, went to Accra Mall, bought some food stuff, swam together, and that was like pretty much it. And in the evening, we were planning to go for a game, like go and eat ice cream and then play some Arcadia game, like some VR, virtual reality games and stuff. Arcade, look, Arcadia new dimension. Use this lever. Oh, man. Shoot a white gun, the white gun. We played a lot of games and they were all cool. But why is she scoring more than I do? How? I'm supposed to be better. Like, come on. Insane. Yeah. What are you trying to do? Is everything okay? So that was it live in a day of a Forex trader in Accra, Ghana. If you like this sort of content, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you want to learn how to trade the right way, make sure you click the link below this video to join our mentorship. And see you guys on the next video.